Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel Random Idiotic Facts. This is my first video, so please share this video, like and subscribe to help me grow. Now let us move on to understanding 4 dimension. Before understanding 4 dimension, we have to know that there is no limit in dimension. There can be as many dimension as we want it to be. 100 dimension, 200 dimension, anything. But to explain 100 dimension, we have to know about 99 dimension, because every dimension every dimension has a very intricate connection with the previous dimension. So to understand 4 dimension, we must know about 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. So let's start with 0 dimension. A 0 dimension is a point. It has no length, no breadth, no height. It has nothing. Now let's move on to 1 dimension. A one dimensional object is a simple line. It has only length, it do not have breadth, it does not have height. Now let's move on to second dimension. A second dimensional object has length and breadth. Its example can be triangle, rectangle, etc. We may have known about 2 dimensional object in our math class. Now 3 dimensional object. Now 3 dimensional object, everywhere we see around us, all of the things we see are 3 dimensional. We are also 3 dimensional. We live in a 3 dimensional world. Everything around us has length, breadth and height. The geometrical example of 3 dimensional objects can be cube, cuboid, cylinder, etc. Now this is the most important part of the video. Please listen carefully. There is a very intricate connection between 0 dimension, 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimension. If we can understand that connection, we can simply explain 4 dimensions. So let's explore that connection. A line which is a one dimensional object, or example of 1 dimension, is bound by 2 points. Okay, a line is bound by 2 points. Similarly, a square is bound by 4 lines. A square which is a 2 dimensional object is bound by 4 1 dimensional objects. Basically, now let's move on to cube. A cube is a 3 dimensional object. Let us imagine a cube in our head. Okay, so you have imagined a cube in your head, a hollow cube. A hollow cube is made up of 6 sides. Okay, and all of its sides are square. Now from this connection, we can easily define 4 dimension. What is a 4 dimension? A 4 dimensional object is an object which is bound by 8 3 dimensional object. Now please close your eyes and try to imagine an object which is made up of 8 sides, and all the 8 sides are cube. Now please close your mind and try to imagine that object. Now you can't imagine that object, because our mind cannot comprehend 4 dimension. Now to know the answer why our mind can't comprehend 4 dimension, please watch next video. Thank you for supporting me and watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more.